Trick, I need you to close next week. You know how to close? I've literally only worked one service shift alone. Oh, it's easy. Who's closing tonight?
Me.
Perfect. You stay with her till the end tonight. She'll show you everything. Oh, yeah? Everything?
Everything you need to be a good closer.
I don't know what all that was, but I'm just going to keep moving. Thanks, boss. All right, I'm out of here, Bridget. It's just y'all.
Okay, good night, Terry.
So what else do we do?
We have to burn the ice in the service station, sweep this back area.
Put on some music?
Trick, you can't be behind the bar. Okay, then.
Yeah. I always work better with a little something.
You are ridiculous. Stop.
Come on. I see the way you look at me.
Trick, I have a boyfriend.
I am so cold!
Pickles, what are you doing here?
I couldn't get the walk-in door open, and then I did.
Pickles, you're doing that thing you do when you lie. Your eyes get really wide.
Okay, fine. I can't do this. Joey paid me to stay and make sure Trick